Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Evernote and automate clipping with AI search, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download Evernote, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Evernote download and press enter. Click on the official Evernote website link, which should appear at the top of the search results. Once on the website, locate the download button, usually found prominently on the home page. Select your device type, whether it's Windows, Mac, Android, or iOS. For Windows or Mac, follow the on-screen instructions to download the installer. For mobile devices, you will be redirected to the appropriate app store. Once the download is complete, find the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to begin the installation process. Follow the prompts to install Evernote on your device. After installation, open Evernote and create an account if you don't have one. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. Now, let's set up AI search for clipping. Navigate to the settings within the Evernote app. Look for the integrations or AI section in the settings menu. Enable the AI search function if it is not already activated. Depending on your needs, you may have to connect Evernote with other applications for enhanced clipping. Once you've enabled AI search, you can automate clipping tasks. Use the clipping feature to save articles, images, or notes directly into Evernote. Set parameters within the AI search settings to filter what content you want to clip automatically. Save your settings and exit the configuration menu. Now, test the clipping feature by trying to capture an article or note from a website. Your selected content should now appear in your Evernote account. With AI search activated, you can easily find your clipped notes using keywords or phrases. Explore additional settings to customize your experience further. Congratulations, you've successfully downloaded Evernote and set up AI search for automated clipping. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.